This is Feedport. It's designed for service businesses with field technicians, who visit locations for installation, repair and maintenance. Feedport has a smart work allocation system which finds the right person for the right job. It uses real-time GPS tracking to find out the person closest to the job location. The mobile app captures the check-in location for every location visited and keep you updated. Your team can fill out information in the format of your choice. This is made possible with the amazingly customizable digital forms in Feedport. You can even create orders directly by adding products and charge the customer for the service. All of this directly from the app. And as always, you can export this in a variety of report formats. Everything you need, all inside a ready-to-use package. Sign up for a free trial and see for yourself.